Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 4 and part 11. In this video, we will discuss versatile nature of carbon, the two most important properties of carbon element which lead to the formation of large number of compounds. The first property is catenation. The carbon can link with C6 atom by means of covalent bond to form long chain, branched chain and closed ring compounds. C6 atoms may be linked by single, double or triple bonds. The first is a single bond long chain. In this all bonds are single bond and this is a long chain with no branching. So this is called long chain with single bonds. Next is this is a branched chain with single bond. In this case, this is long chain and two branches are present in this chain. The first branch and second branch. This is called branched chain with single bond. Next is ring compound. Ring means in this the two ends of chain is packed in a ring. This is a ring chain with single bonds. Only single bonds are present in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this C atoms are 3 and in this 5. Next is the double bond long chain. When the chain contains at least one double bond, this is called double bond long chain. In this only one double bond is present, so this is a chain of alkene. Next chain, in this case triple bond is present, this is called alkyne chain. Next is double bond with branched chain. In this case, this chain is double bond chain and in this chain one branching is present, so this is called double bond branched chain. Next is triple bond branched chain. In this case, this chain is triple bond long chain and one is branching is present in this chain, so this is called triple bond branched chain. Second most important property is tetravalency. Its mean C6 has 4 valence electron. Its valency is 4. 4 is outermost electron of carbon. C6 can bond with 4 C6 atom, monovalent atom, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. C624 C6 has 4 valence electron. This is called the outermost electron. So C6 can form 4 single bond. 4 single bond. It can form single bond with other C6 atom. It can form triple bond with nitrogen atom. It can form double bond with oxygen. It can form double bond with sulfur. The first property of carbon is catenation. In this property, carbon can link with carbon atom by means of covalent bond to form long chain, branched chain and closed ring compounds. We know that the carbon has 4 single bond. or 2 single bond and 1 double bond, 1 2 3 4. 6 also has 1 single bond and 1 triple bonds. So in this property it can form long chain, branched chain and closed ring compound. Long chain means C atoms linked together to form a long chain. Linked together, this is the long chain of carbon atoms. The valency of carbon is 4, then 4 single bonds are present in this chain. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then this is called long single bond chain. Single bond chain. We know that C6 also has 1 double bond and 2 single bond. This chain is called alkene chain. Alkene. Then next is when the chain contains 2 double bonds, at least 1 double bond, is called alkene. Suppose this is a alkene chain. This is a alkene chain. 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is alkene chain. Long, this is called long double bond chain. Double bond chain. This is called alkene chain. This is called alkene chain. We also know that C6 has 1 single bond and 1 triple bond. This is called alkynes. This is called alkyne. When C6 has at least 1 triple bond, it is alkyne chain. This is a alkyne chain. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Its 4 valency is completed and 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is called long alkyne chain. Alkyne chain. This is called long alkyne chain. These chain has no branched chain. These chains are no branched chain. Then next topic is branched chain. Is branched chains. Branched chain means long chain in which at least 1 branching is present. Is called branched chain. Is called branched chain. Suppose in case of alkene chain. In case of alkene chain, this is long chain with no branching when its 1 carbon atom is present at the center of carbon. In this is a long chain and 1 carbon atom is present as a branch. This is called branched alkene chain. In case of alkene. Suppose this is a long alkene chain. Long alkene chain. In this chain, 1 C atom is present as a branch So this is called branched alkene chain. In case of alkyne, in case of alkyne, in case of alkyne, in this, when one C atom is present as at least one C6 atom is present as a branch, this is called branched alkyne chain. Next is closed ring compound. Closed ring compound. Ring compound means in which, suppose this is a single bond chain. This is a single bond long chain. This is a single bond long chain. When this chain is chain is arranged in the form of ring. Ring means, this structure is as a 5-membered ring and 6-membered ring is called ring compounds. In this, one C atom is present as S and 1 1 1. Sorry, this structure is repeated. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. This ring is formed when C is equal to 3, when C is equal to 4, when C is equal to 5, when C is equal to 6. In this, C is equal to 1 2 3. So this chain is formed in the form of ring as this is called ring compounds. These are called ring compounds. In case of 5-membered ring, in case of 4-membered ring, when number of C6 is equal to 4, then chain is arranged in the form of ring as, in the form of ring, it can arranged as 1 2, because C6 has 4 single bond. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then this is called ring compounds.